Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. In today's video, I have an exciting Aurora haul to share with all of you. I'm going to be reviewing their autumn and Halloween collection that launched this year for the autumn Halloween season. And I absolutely love the fall and the autumn and Halloween, so I'm crazy excited to open this collection with all of you. I did share this collection briefly on my Instagram stories when it first came out, but I've never seen these charms in person until now. And I'm just thrilled to be opening them up and have the opportunity to review them all with you guys and also share how I styled them, both with the bangle design as well as a necklace design. A huge thank you to Aurora Charm for gifting me these pieces to review and style with, and also to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without you guys. So thank you so much. Now, without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I am enjoying the delicious pumpkin Earl Grey tea from DAVIDsTEA. You might have seen me talk about this tea in my recent DAVIDsTEA haul video where I got some delicious teas from their autumn and Halloween collection. This is so good. I'm literally, guys, actually, I'm drinking it as I'm doing this voiceover. It is so good. I highly, highly recommend it. It's delicious. So virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. Here is a quick overview of the 5 charms I'm going to be reviewing. There's 3 glass beads and 2 silvers, and I love the glass colors. They definitely have a very autumn feel. The first one you're seeing here is called the Autumn Evening Murano Glass Bead. It definitely looks like a changing leaves, crunching through the leaves colors. It also actually makes me think of a pumpkin spice, like the colors of a pumpkin spice latte too, which I absolutely love. The other one, which is the green one beside it, is called the Autumn Morning Murano Glass Bead. And the greens are beautiful. It also has some creaminess notes to it. And they just remind me of the fallen leaves color, how the leaves start really green and then they change into orange. They're beautiful, and I'm very excited to style with these. Here's another little side view look of them. Now, the other glass bead is an amber glass bead with sterling silver detailing, and it is called the Enchanted Pumpkin. And oh my goodness, I am in love. As soon as I saw pictures from Aurora of this, I was like, I have to get one of these. Like, it is so gorgeous. The leaf detail, the bale detail on it, like everything is just so magical and it's beautiful. And when I saw this, I'm like, I have to make this into a pendant or a necklace. Like, it is going to be my go-to pendant for the autumn season. It is just so gorgeous, and it's a beautiful weight, and how it catches the light is just beautiful. Now, moving along to the sterling silver charms, we have Jack the Scarecrow. And Jack is absolutely spectacular. He has like a witch's hat, number 1, the pumpkin type face, his little scarecrow body. He is so amazing. Like, there is detail all over him. You can look at his little outfit, the little details. Now, on the witch's hat, you'll also find the hallmarks on there as well. But look at the little buckle detail on there and the little turning like detail at the tip of the hat. Like, so cool. He is amazing. And I absolutely love him. I think he is a must if you love Halloween, or if you love going, like for me, I love going to pumpkin patches. And you know how the scarecrows are always out in those pumpkin patches? That's what he makes me think of. Now, the last sterling silver charm is called Furry the cat, and she is so beautiful. So perfect for Halloween, right? With the black cats and things like that. But if you're a cat lover, if you have a furry friend or furry family member in your home, I think she's perfect, or he really, depending on your cat. Like, the detail of her face is so sweet. Like, you can see the little whiskers, the button nose, the sweet eyelashes, and her tail is so fluffy. Like, look at that beautiful tail. And that's actually where you're going to find the hallmarks of this charm. It's hidden inside her tail, which I thought was so clever. Now it's time to head on over to the Design With Me portion of this video. Here's a quick look at last year's autumn design I did using my Aurora Charm pieces. You'll spot Spooky the Ghost and the Enchanted Cottage, and I knew I had to incorporate these beads into my new updated Halloween autumn themed design. So I started playing around with a couple different ideas. I really wanted to incorporate all the beads onto one design. Unfortunately, they wouldn't fit onto a bangle design, so I first started with using the Iris Celtic Eternity Amber beads. These are so beautiful and I love them. But I really also wanted to see the new Murano styled on here too, so I ended up replacing them, like swapping them out for the Murano beads, and they look so beautiful. They add a really lovely, cheerful pop of color, and it looks so autumnal. Like, I love how it's a nice balance of autumn theme with a little touch of Halloween. I could really wear this bangle even into the November season. It is so cute. I love the Enchanted Cottage. It looks adorable, by the way, as the centerpiece to this design. And I loved how Spooky the ghost, he fit so nicely beside Furry the cat. Like, beautiful how she's kind of like holding his veil. For a necklace design, of course, I had to use the Enchanted pumpkin, and you'll be able to spot the Irish Celtic Eternity Amber beads again. I decided to use them to frame the Enchanted pumpkin. And I used my Pandora chain because I forgot to bring my Aurora chain with me. I'm currently traveling and I left it, so I'll have to find that a little bit later to show you guys. But I decided to use my Pandora chain necklace. It's a slightly longer length too, which worked really well with the turtleneck sweater I was wearing. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I would love to know which charm is your favorite. Please let me know down below. I will have links down below in the description bar of this video where you can find these charms and other things. Some of these links may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use these links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.